Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to edit a client in Zoho Books. Keeping client information updated helps us ensure accurate billing, clear communication, and organized financial records. Let's get started. On the Zoho Books dashboard, go to Sales and click your customers. To edit a customer, simply click this. Select any customer, then click. To make changes, click the Edit option on the right side of the page. Make sure to check if the customer is a direct customer before editing. To continue, click Edit. Here, we can update the primary contact's first name, last name, company name, and display name. If we want to show the full name, we can make that change. For example, let's update it to display the full name and email address. We can enter the email address. If we need to change the phone number or mobile number, we can update the information here. We can also edit the billing address, shipping address, and contact persons. If we want to add or remove contact persons, we can adjust this section. When finished, click Save. The changes are now applied. Always double-check the updated details before saving to make sure invoices and transactions show the correct information.